What does generative AI mean to me? What it means to me is a helper that will be with you everywhere you go online. So when I say a helper, what I really mean is an assistant that's really there to guide you and answer questions that you're probably not so sure of. Maybe you have a question related to how to go about doing a certain process. You might have an idea, but it would be great to have help and assistance from a large language model that has seen different use cases or that has noticed something from another industry that maybe you could take insights on. Now, a process-oriented assistant isn't the only thing you can use generative AI for. You can use it to create a new email. You can use it to create a new piece of content. Now, that doesn't mean that you use what it gave you 100% with, just take it, copy and paste it. But what you can do is you can end up using that as a starting point. And that's what we're all really looking for, is really a starting point, a template, because if you were to go to somebody and ask them a question, you might use their advice as a starting point, but that person might not have as much experience as the generative AI does because it's not pulling from as much data. So when I think of generative AI and how you can use it, there's so many different use cases. I'm going to give you one that I use generative AI for, which is whenever I'm thinking about processes, because that's the first one I used in this example. So if I am creating a process document, I might write down everything that I'm currently thinking about, and then I will ask ChatGPT if I'm doing it the right way or if I'm going about it the right way and what it thinks I'm missing. So what it'll do is it'll give me maybe some pieces that I'm missing. Maybe it'll say, hey, you should probably think about in step 7, adding in another sub-step to the process that you probably didn't think about before. And that'll give me really a lot more insight into how much more in depth I can go with the process that I'm building out. And that is really how I'm using ChatGPT. That's just one of the different ways I'm using it. I use it to write emails. If I need to make sure that I sound a little bit more excited, I can use AI for that, generative AI for that. If I want to make sure that I make things more concise in an email, I can use it for that as well. So that's all I've got in this video. Kalen Moss, Minute Admin, Generative AI, out.